Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 12th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, I wanted to start off on the daily today just so I could show you that the daily does not have a break of structure to the downside yet. That means that there is definitely a chance that this move that we're getting down makes a higher low and just continues up. The trend is your friend, especially when you're talking about the very high time frames like the daily. So no matter what I say about the shorter time frames, keep in mind that that actually may be the more likely scenario. Now, if I go all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm actually going to stick to my same analysis from last week, which to me looks like a potential three waves down for an A, looks like a potential one, two, three waves up for a wave B, and it looks like it may end up doing a one, two, three, four, five of wave C. I still think it looks like an expanding ABC crescent, probably an ABC of two. This wave five over here is the wave one, and once this two is complete, we should go up and make a big old giant wave three. But like I said, just keep in mind that daily time frame. I mean, there is a chance it makes a higher low and pushes back up. The 4 hour and 1 hour time frame definitely make you think that this is the more likely scenario. But sometimes what you see on the shorter time frames is just deceiving you from what is actually happening on the much higher time frames. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.